Hey everyone, today I'm making a shiny leaf design with cat eye and jelly gel. Let's go! First, drawing a few straight lines to guide the shape of the leaf. Using silver cat eye gel, sketching a leaf. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Adding some jagged edges to make it look more realistic. Pushing the shimmer into the center to really make it pop. Using black gel to draw the veins of the leaf. Applying a red jelly gel over the whole nail, but I'm not curing it yet. Fading the red from the center so only the edges stay bold. Adding just a touch of green jelly to the faded center to give it a glassy effect. Sealing it with a glossy top coat and it's done.